there are cases in the rise, dengue cases. So our sanitary inspectors have already consulted the health department. They said that they are well equipped to take care of that, and they have direct requested us to do some spraying wherever there are some stagnant water. So we will be doing that job.
But already cases has been increased.
Yeah, health department said that they are well aware and they are taking needful action in the matter. They said that if need be, they will seek assistance from this council.
Yesterday, some laborers came to meet you regarding few laborers are not working and only taking
That's why I will conduct an inquiry. They have already taken cognizance of the thing. Actually, they had not come for the saying that some workers are paid without working. They had said that they had come saying that we are paying some laborer for 30 days in a month. We have checked the record and there is no any contract basis laborer who are paid for 30 days. They are all been paid for 26 days.
So what is the issue about that rickshaw? Some WhatsApp note is forwarding that rickshaws are not well and not maintained.
Rickshaw,
The garbage, the rickshaw taken
from my automobile engineer. He says that the battery has been out of order. He will replace it. Only one rickshaw, not 5 or 6 rickshaws. That's claimed in the report.
And sir, the Ganesh Atal POP.
Okay, see, there are direction under Section 5 of the Environment Protection Act not to public plastic of Paris made Ganesh idols. And there are directions come from the higher authorities to ban such a sale of plastic of Paris. Accordingly, I have issued direction to my municipal inspectors to conduct inspection to all the establishment and check whether they are selling or not. If they are selling, immediate action should be taken against them. These are directions to see once this plaster of Paris is used, the idols which are immersed in the water get not disintegrate. It takes a lot of time. There are a lot of chemicals. There are a lot of this can be harmful to the human being as well because aquatic life like fishes they can eat or consume the chemicals. In turn, this fish will be consumed by the public. And in turn, cause some damages to other human beings. So this is our efforts to curb the whatever illegalities and because under Section 5 of the Environment Act, sale of plastic of Paris is banned. Also, the sale of firecrackers, Chinese made crackers, everything has been banned. So we are trying to put some system in order. I am giving well in advance to the public not to. There are instances that the plastic of Paris are purchased from out of the states. So whoever is purchasing, they should not go ahead with the purchasing. So well in advance, I have given them the notice. So if they are going ahead and they are found, then I have to impose 5,000 on each instance. This is the direction from the higher authority.
What is the condition of Sansoda? There are reports floating that it is almost full.
Sansoda, there are some problems in Sansoda.
You have reported this to DMA and all.
We have already reported to DMA, and DMA has also approved this development. The road, this thing was not proper. That road also been approved.
आणि सर ते 3 हे असं ना बायोमिथेशन प्लांट ते चालू असं त्याचे काम त्याचे कधी पण
एक already started. Work is all full progress. We have given the deadline by end of September. So as per the High Court Committee, we were directed to put one in order. And if you see the working of that, if that is successful, then go ahead for the second and third.